and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing a BOXYCHARM unboxing. I figured I just actually started getting BOXYCHARM. This is only my second month, so I figured I would film a video unboxing the things that are in it and also applying them to my face. We'll see how it goes. Like I said, this is only my second month. I haven't filmed a video doing this before, so I'm not sure if this is even something that you guys are interested in, but it's here. I want to open it, I want to use it anyway, so I might as well turn on my camera and film. So if you are interested to see what I got in my month's BOXYCHARM, then just keep watching. Alright, so I did go ahead and open my box. One of the things that I like about BOXYCHARM is the fact that they don't tell you what you're going to get in your box before it comes, so I kind of like the element of surprise. I'm totally one of those kids on Christmas that if you give me the opportunity to open up a present early, I'm going to do it. So I like the fact that I don't know what's coming until the box actually arrives. So the box looks like this. I did go ahead and cut open the tab so that way it would be easier to open. So first things first, it always comes in the box like this. And it comes with a little flyer like that. And I do believe that it comes with, yeah, it comes with all the information of all of the pieces that you're going to be getting right here in this pamphlet. So I'm starting out with no makeup on because the first thing that I'm going to be using is this. And this is actually a skincare product. This is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. It looks like that. Let me read a little information. I do like the fact that on this they give you an information. They tell you if it's full size, they tell you how much it costs, and they kind of tell you what it's supposed to do for you. So this Dr. Brandt No More Baggage says, say goodbye to puffy and hello to youthful, rested looking eyes. Eye depuffing gel, formulated with biomimetic, whatever that means, technology, peptides, and botanical extracts. You're guaranteed visibly reduced under eye bags and dark circles. This retails for $42. Now I've never used anything from Dr. Brandt, but I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I'm just going to squeeze a little bit out and see what we're working with. Maybe. Oh, this is gonna be one of those things that just like shoots out at me. Oh, dang it, come on. There we go. Oh, interesting. So it is like peach colored, like that. So I'm just going to put a little bit on under my eyes, like so. I just dotted it underneath my eyes, and then I'm just going to take it and rub it in. Tap it in, really. Sorry, should have turned my phone off. I'm just so popular, you know. So it's getting very sticky, which is interesting. It does say, after your moisturizer, warm a tiny amount, between your fingers and gently pat directly on bags or dark circles. So I am gently patting. I just did not warm it on my fingers first. So don't do what I did. Ooh, I got some in my eye. Or an eyelash. Alrighty, so I think this is kind of going to be one of those products that I'm actually going to have to use a few times before I know if it does anything for me. But, I mean, I don't dislike it. It doesn't sting or anything like that. So that's nice. It did leave my under eyes feeling nice and tacky for makeup application. So what I'm going to do is there are no face products in here. So I'm going to go off camera quickly, get my base done, and then I will be back to do the next product. Okay, so I quickly went off camera and did my face makeup. The next thing that I'm going to pull out of the box is this. This is by the brand Cella, and it's Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. So it's really interesting. It comes in a little tube like this, and one end is the cream, much like a dip brow from Anastasia or something like that, and then the other end is the brush. So let's do a little bit of research on that. Let me get my handy dandy cheat sheet. So this is the brand Cella Beauty. Basically, you use it like a normal dip brow kind of thing. Eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows. The retail value of this is $26. Do you see how small this is? $26 for that. It comes in a tube like that. Like, are you playing me? Now, this color is called Tantalizing Taupe. I don't think that this is going to be dark enough for me, but you know, for the tube, I'm going to give it a try. So I'm taking the brush that it comes with. I guess I'm just gonna tap it in there. This thing is kind of stupid, I'm not gonna lie to you. This is so small, you can barely get it in there. This brush is too wide. I don't think this is gonna be a good idea, you guys. Let's try this. Well, it's darker than I thought it was gonna be, honestly. I still don't love this brush. It's a little bit thick for what I would like to do for eyebrows, but it's not the worst eyebrow product I've ever used, so that's good. I actually think this is kind of working. It's a lot darker than I expected taupe to be. I'm usually like a soft or a medium brown kind of girl, so I really didn't think taupe was going to be dark enough, but it's not bad. Obviously, I don't know the wear time on this or anything like that. This is all just a first impression. But what I am going to do is I'm going to take a smaller brush. I'm going to take my Anastasia 12 brush, I think is what it is. It's a little bit more thin. I'm going to use that at the very front of my brow. So this is the brush. I'm going to use it at the very front of my brow to get a more defined end. Flick, 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 flick. Another thing that I don't like about this eyebrow product is it doesn't come with a spoolie, which I always need when I'm doing my eyebrows. So I'm going to just use the spoolie from my Anastasia. But this isn't awful. That actually didn't take me very long to do. So there is one brow done and one brow not done. As you guys know, I do have my eyebrows microbladed, so I have a pretty easy template to go off of. But I'm going to have to eat my words. I do not mind that. I would say that if you are a true blonde, that this taupe might actually be too dark for you. It's pretty dark, honestly, but I do like it. So what I'm going to do is quickly go off camera and get the second brow done, and I will be back to hop on into the eyeballs. Okie dokie. So the eyebrows are on. I do not mind them. It's not my favorite brow I've ever done, but I think I will continue to use this product. The only part that's kind of annoying is the fact that I would supply my own brush, but I guess if I used any other kind of pomade, I would do the same thing, so it's fine. So the next thing that I'm going to be using in my box is going to be hidden underneath this, and it is going to be this gorgeous creature. I did go ahead and take it out of the bubble wrap because it was super loud and obnoxious, but this is going to be an eyeshadow palette by the brand Crown. I've never used anything by Crown other than I have a couple of brushes from them, but here is the palette. It looks like this. Oop, let me pull the little plastic insert out, and look how beautiful this is. This is a warm eyeshadow lover's dream. So there is 10 shadows. The pan size is pretty big. I'd say it's about, I don't even know, it's pretty big. I really like it. So I'm not exactly sure what look I'm gonna do. Obviously a warm eye look, but I'm not going to really talk during this part. I'm gonna speed through this. I'll point to the shades that I'm going to use, and let's get going. I forgot, before we get going, let's read the information on it. So let's see, Crown brush, this is called the Fuego eyeshadow collection. Rich warm tone shades, high pigmented palette gives you what you need, 4 shimmers, 6 mattes, and this retails for $29.99. So now let's get into it.
Childhood on old tapes from the past. I remember the young blood, but we grew up too fast. We were playing as soldiers, making swords out of pens. Oh, we used to be close. No monsters, there were no moon, there were no monsters, still I'm chasing balloons.
so the top of the eyes are done. I am a weirdo that likes to do my top eyeliner before I go in with my bottom, any of my colors on the bottom lash line. So I'm quickly going to go off camera and apply some eyeliner, and then I will be back to do the bottom lower lash line, and then to also do some mascara, because something tells me there might be some mascara in my box. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I quickly went and applied some liner. So the next thing in the box is going to be this little puppy. This actually looks like some of the Tarte lipsticks, but it's not. This is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. It looks like that. And let's read a little bit of information about it. Let's see here. Award-winning. Oh, it's award-winning. Black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights. Volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions, and it retails for $24. So let's try this out and see what we think. I'm gonna actually zoom you guys in a little bit so we can, wrong way, can watch the transformation together. So the wand is interesting. It's a little bit curved like that. Let's go ahead. All right, so there is one coat. This eye has mascara, this eye does not. Let's go ahead with this one as well. So, as I'm looking in the mirror, I don't really find this mascara to be revolutionary. It's fine, it's good, but it's not like the most, I was almost said the most best. That is not proper grammar. It's not the best one I've ever used. It's not the worst. I'm probably going to go ahead and pop false lashes on anyways, because kind of went with a bit of a smoky eye, and I always just feel a little more naked without falsies. So I'm going to also do my lower lash line quickly, and then I will be back to wrap this whole thing up. We still have one product left. Okie dokie, the eyeballs are done, and I also put on some bronzer and contour, because the final thing in the box is going to be this. This is going to be the Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher with Argan Oil in the shade Desert Rose. Let's pop this open. Really nice, sleek black packaging, excuse me. Let's pop this open. Ooh! So for a Desert Rose, it's actually pretty peachy, which I like. So I am going to take a crown, oh, see, I told you, crown brush, and I don't know what kind of brush it is, but I'm just going to tap it in. Woo! Pigment, honey. I'm going to tap some of that off and just smile. And apply some blush. I love blush. People that don't use blush, they're missing out, man. It just adds such nice color to your face. I am team blush all the way. So, just adding some to my apples and then moving it up. I was actually just watching the Kylie Jenner, what is it, she did a tutorial for Vogue. I think it was for Vogue. And she was like, she put blush kind of everywhere. So I'm going to do that. I liked it. She brought some color to her face. I'm not adding any extra. I'm just kind of tapping it on. So yeah, I like that color. I will be using that again. So let me quickly go do some lips, do some highlighter, and I will be back to wrap this whole thing up and give you guys my final thoughts on this month's BOXYCHARM. Okay, as I was saying, I completely forgot to once again talk about the blush. So in the little card, like I said, it's by the brand Note. It just says it's good for all skin types, it's paraben free, and it retails for $11.99. So once again, let me go off camera, quickly finish my face, and I will be back to wrap this whole thing up. Alrighty, y'all, that ends today's video. I hope you enjoyed me unboxing my new BOXYCHARM and going through it together and putting it on my face. Now, to go over everything, I really enjoyed most things. I will say the eyebrow product did surprise me. So once again, like your mama always told you, don't judge a book by its cover, because it's pretty good. And I have to say the star of the show is definitely the eyeshadow palette. The metallics are absolutely beautiful in it. The shades on my eyes, I mixed 2 of them. I did not use Fix Plus. I did not use any sort of setting spray, nothing like that. First I went in with my finger, but as you can see, I have claws. It was really hard to put it on, so then I just went in with the shader brush, and it is absolutely stunning. Probably my least favorite product. I mean, the under eye product, I'm not 100% sure what it really does. It's going to be one of those things that I kind of have to keep using it. But overall, I was very satisfied with the box. I want to say it was over $130. As you know, BOXYCHARM is only $21 a month, so it is an insane savings. Generally, there's something in the box that is more than the value of the entire box. Wait, no. Rewind, that doesn't make sense. Generally, there is one product that costs more than the cost of the box to you. Does that make sense? Anyways, also if you want to know my lip color, don't ask, because I literally mixed like 6 or 7 things, because I first put on a lipstick, it was too pink, put on a lip liner, put another lipstick, added the gloss. You know how it goes, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to keep doing this. Please like this video. Subscribe to my channel by clicking the link down below, and you can also turn on the post notification bell. That way you are notified every single time I upload. Until I see you guys in the next video. Bye! Product, and I really like it, so my mic just fell. Great. That's just great.